Assembling your Regency merchandising rack is quick and easy. Start by choosing the height of your lowest shelf, keeping in mind that food merchandise needs to be at least 6 inches off the ground to meet food safety requirements. Next, select one of the plastic shelf supports. Snap both halves of your plastic shelf support into the groove of the post where you want your bottom shelf. Slide your shelf support until you feel it secure into the groove. Repeat these steps for each post. Insert the post one at a time into the bottom of the shelf until you reach the shelf supports. Apply pressure until the shelf feels firm against the plastic shelf supports. Set the merchandising unit to its upright position. Make sure your lowest shelf is secure by gently tapping on it with a mallet. Decide how you want to space the rest of your shelves and repeat these steps to add them to your rack. Finally, attach the casters to the bottom of the posts. That's all it takes to put your Regency merchandising rack together.